everyone. Welcome to our Ultra Audio Studio, an AI-powered speech-to-speech translation platform, which is powered by Azure. And here we have the 6 different tabs. And the first tab is Batch Studio. Here it is a simulated OTT platform. Here we integrated YouTube to fetch the video, desired video, and you can able to translate the videos. Here you can able to search or paste the URL. Let's search a video from YouTube. And here you can able to see once the selected video is fetched, you can able to get the source preview here, and after that you can able to select the dubbing settings which you want. You can able to select the voice of the gender, male, female, and you can able to preserve the background music. And here here we got the result. In this you can able to select the video. After getting selected, it's getting down, and here you can able to see the source preview.
The 2-minute rule can be applied to pretty much any habit you're trying to build. It's very simple. It just says take whatever,
and you can able to select the voice and stop replic. And here you can able to see the pipeline which is going underground with the backend, and with the estimated time it will take will be shown here. Meanwhile, I can able to get through into the engine controls we have. First one is language setting. Here we given 21 languages support, and for both source and target language. And next is use case. Here you can able to have different scenarios like healthcare, education, business, gaming, etc. And here this is a chunk duration which the pipeline getting to translate the audio segments. And this is the quality mode. Here we have 3 different quality modes and what is the description of each. And here you have the voice customization. You have 3 different voices control, and you can also control the speed and pitch of the audio. And the final thing will be explained later. And this is the studio player. Here you can able to see the recent dub audios, also the translated output. And when you can get this, this is a player of the translated output.
2 मिनट का नियम लगभग किसी भी आदत पर लागू किया जा सकता है जिसे आप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप इसे कुछ
can able to download and video and the subtitles. You can also switch into see the previous outputs.
सूरज उगने के समय लड़का वहीं था.
And the next feature is live stream. Here you have 2 options as input source. One is microphone and another one is file simulation. And let's start. For this, like here you can able to see multi-language bridge. This is used for live stream where you can able to select the additional translation outputs. Have full output here, and now let's get started. So here you can
अब चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
You can able to see the voice animation here.
तो यहाँ आप आवाज निकाल सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, आप आवाज देख सकते हैं. एनिमेशन यहाँ और यहाँ अनुवादित आउटपुट है. लक्ष्य भाषा आउटपुट सेवा में आ रहा होगा और शेष एक ट्रांसक्रिप्टेड स्क्रिप्ट के रूप में प्राप्त किया जाए.
different ID names and original translated transcripts, and the latency, BLD score, everything with the timestamp. And the next one is record and dub. So here you can able to record your voice lively and create an audio file, and instantly you can able to dub the audios. So hi everyone, you can able to record a short message and the system will instantly translate and dub into the targeted language. And now here you can able to hear the original audio playback. Hi everyone, you can able to record a short message and the system will instantly to translate the typing audio.
सभी ऑडियो जीवंत और आप पूरे ऑडियो का अनुवादित आउटपुट प्राप्त करने में सक्षम हो सकते हैं. यहाँ आपके पास माइक्रोफोन पर 2 अलग-अलग मोड हैं.
दूसरा मार्क की इस फाइल पर।
The next feature is remote meeting. So here you can able to enter your name here and the room ID, and then here you can able to select your device for video input and audio output, and then when it gets done, and after when you start your video will be of the camera, the live video will be appearing, and it will be kind of a real Google Meet. You can able to speak, and you can able to get your transcript will be broadcasted to every of the room members, and let's show you. So in Vishal and then ID the general one, and now the people to be so the same room ID, two people can be the same, and started. So hi everyone, see the transcript and output here. So that's the output, and the next feature is history. You can be able to see our session history and the downloads. We have the different tasks, and for each task you can able to see the timestamp, task details, and the preview of the output, and you can also have the different modes of the outputs for the videos you have set. And the next is analytics dashboard. Here you have the overview of the total dubbing task, total chat messages, so forth, and you can see the database is connected or not. And here you can have the live session performance and the graph analysis.